Hey everybody, this is Mr. McKibben, and this is a video about using Google Docs. So from the KPBSD website, you can go to your Google Drive right up here at the top. And once you're into your Google Drive, this will be where your Google Docs are made and stored. So you'll hit the plus sign, come down here, and you'll open up a new Google Doc. And it's just like a Word document. So you're going to go in here and type in your essay or whatever it is that you're working on and keep those files together in your Google Drive. First thing you want to do is title this. So each time you start a new document, title it so that way you know what it is and where to find it. So we'll call this one an essay about me. And then once you start typing in here, these automatically save every few seconds or every few keystrokes. So you can see it says last edited was seconds ago and it's already saved it. So you don't ever have to save this. If when you're done working on it or you want to come back to it, you just X out of it and then you're going to go back to your Google Drive, and the easiest way to find that would be to click recent. This is going to pull up the recent things you worked on, and there it is, essay about me. You can open it back up and continue working on it. That's all for now.